Okay, so in this video, we're quickly gonna show you how to teach your babies, your young ones, the alphabet in English and any other language that you might speak. We speak English and Creole. Yeah, so I've been teaching her in both Creole, which is very close to French. So yeah, but it's the same Roman alphabet. But she's gonna be doing it in English. There we go. Are you ready, Sia? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So what letter is this?
Apple.
This one.
B.
This one.
D.
C. Okay. Good job. Are you ready? Go ahead.
Apple.
Mhm.
B. Get Papa. Get bucket. Get back.
Go ahead.
Dinosaur. Good dinosaur. Good eyes. Good fall.
Go ahead.
Good flower.
Shh.
Good giraffe.
Mhm.
Good giraffe. Yes,
Go ahead. Hey, this one.
Good hat. Good hat. Good ice cream. Good day.
Mhm. J is for.
Fields. Good kitty.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Good leaf. Good leaf.
Leaf.
Jolly. Good orange. Oh,
Puppy.
Buffy.
Go ahead. Good girl. Yeah. Rabbit. Okay, go ahead.
Green.
Go, go, go. Shh. Hey, 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 hey.
Sandcastle.
Sandcastle.
Fire.
Truck.
No, fire.
Truck.
No, fire.
Fire truck.
Fire.
Okay. And then.
Umbrella.
Good girl. And then. Vegetables. How about this one?
Wheels.
Wheels. Wheels. Good girl. Go ahead. Go ahead. Here. Go ahead. Huh? Zay? Go ahead. Sia. Zay? Oh, okay. Yawn.
Yellow.
Good girl. Are we done?
Yeah.
Is the Z the last letter in the alphabet?
Yeah.
Yes. Can we sing this song?
Yeah.
Now I
No.
my
A.
B
C.
C. Next time won't you sing with me? Good job. Kiss your brain. Okay, thank you. You did really well reading for the first time. Do you like to read?
Yeah.
Do you like learning your alphabet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so that's it. We didn't start long ago. Um, since she started really picking up books and looking at them herself. We have numerous numbers of alphabet books, like all different ones. We have this one. Um, we have this one, which is very, very good. And the best time is like early morning. And then when they're going to sleep, you can review it with them again, so that way it's fresh in their mind as they go to sleep. And when they wake up, they'll remember a lot of stuff. Like right now, it's 11:55, and I wasn't even home, so it's not like we practice. They will learn the more you do it repeatedly with a lot of care and attention. They will learn it very, very quickly. You'll be surprised how fast they can learn. Okay, so I hope this helped people out there to spend time with their little ones and teach them the alphabet the correct way, not just to sing it, but when they see the letters, they can recognize them as well. Okay, so mwah. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.